ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಕಳೆದ 1.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮನೋರಂಜನಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೀವನವೂ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲುಕಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದೆಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದೂ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಕಷ್ಟಕರಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದ ಅಸಹಾಯಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಇಂತಹ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟಕರ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳನ್ನು ಪೋಷಿಸಲು ಹಲವಾರು ಜನ ದುಡಿಮೆಗಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಲಾಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನುಡುಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವರು ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದಿಂದ ದೂರವಾಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಉಳಿಯಲು ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಶಾವಾದಿಗಳಂತೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ಎಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೂ ಒಬ್ಬ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂತಹ ಖಾಲಿ ಜೇಬಿನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿನ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದ ಮಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಷಯನೇ. ಇಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹಲವಾರು ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡೋದು, ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೇಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ದಂತಕಥೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಳಿದ ಮಹನೀಯರು ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ ಅವರ ಅಜರಾಮರ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿಯೇ ನಾವುಗಳು ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗಾದರೆ 10 ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಂದೇಶಗಳುಳ್ಳ ಹಿತನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ, ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದರರ್ಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಂದೇಶದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನಂಬಿಕೆನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗಾದರೂ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲು ಮನಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸದುದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ದಿನಂಪ್ರತಿ ಕಳುಹಿಸುವ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಸಂದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಯ್ದ ಸಂದೇಶಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಆ ಮೂಲ ಕರ್ತೃವಿನ ಪದಕಟ್ಟಿನ ಭಾವಾನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ ದೃಶ್ಯ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗಾದರೂ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಂದೇಶ ಗುಚ್ಛಗಳ ಮೂಲ ಕೃತಿಯು ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರೆತಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ತರ್ಜುಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಆ ಮೂಲ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಭಾವಾನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆಯುಂಟಾಗಬಹುದೆಂಬ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕರ್ತೃವಿನ ಮೂಲ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಯಥಾವತ್ತಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ನನ್ನ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆಯ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗಾದರೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿದ ಅನುಭವವಾದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಶ್ರಮ ಸಾರ್ಥಕವೆಂದು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಲು ನನಗೆ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ತೃಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಅನಂತ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅವರ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ.
When you have money in hand, only you forget who you are. But when you don't have money in hand, the whole world forget who you are. Hunger, poverty, and failure can teach you the greatest lesson of life that no university in the world will teach you. We all have a deeper story that most don't see. More the darkness, more the value for moon. More the problems, more the value for human. When you feel like you are fighting alone in life, that's when you should be fighting the hardest. If you want to be strong, learn how to fight alone. Sometimes you face difficulties, not because you are doing something wrong, but because you are doing something right. Don't be disappointed when nobody stands with you. Be thankful to those who left you because they taught you that you can do it alone. Remember, every next level of your life will demand a different you. A person who battles with himself to correct his faults. No one can defeat him. Forget about making mistakes. Just do it. If you don't have the intention of stopping, then it never matters how slow you walk. The best attitude is, I will win. Not immediately, but definitely. Keep going. Everything will come to you at a perfect time. Positive thinking is not only about expecting the best to happen, but it is also about accepting whatever happens is for the best. Our hopes should be like hair and nails. No matter how many times they get cut, but they never stop growing. No poison can kill a positive thinker. No medicine can cure a negative thinker. Remember, your mind is your strongest muscle and your worst enemy. Rule your mind or it will rule you. Hope is the power that gives a person the confidence to step out and try. If you don't try to start build your own dream today, then someone else will use you to build their own dreams. Everything will comes to you at the right time. Be patient. Patience is not about the ability to wait, but it's the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. So be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. We can control a big elephant easily, but it's very difficult to control our own mind. If we succeed in controlling it, then it's not difficult to win the world. If you fail to achieve your dreams, then change your ways, not your principles. Remember, trees change their leaves, not roots. Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. If you want to have a bright future in your life, then you must need to face 100 of bad days now. Train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity and happiness is a choice. Choose it every day. The greatest distance in the world is just 14 inches. That's between the mind and heart. The most difficult task is to balance between them. You can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith that things will work out. Let it go a little and just let life to happen. Faith is not knowing what the future holds, but knowing who holds the future. Your faith can move the mountains, but your doubts can create them. When you find a dream inside your heart, don't let it go. Dreams are the tiny seeds from which a beautiful tomorrow grows. Don't say it's impossible without trying it. Everything is possible in this world. Just we need to try it with our maximum effort. That's it. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Failure is nothing more than a chance to revise your strategy. A word of encouragement during a failure is worth more than an hour of praise after success. Don't settle for less than you deserve in life, whether that's a partner, a job, or a lifestyle. You can do it. Honest feelings and bad timing make the most painful combination. Just because the process hurts doesn't mean the results won't be beautiful. Don't lose hope, because once hope is gone, there is no fight. Even if the whole world has given up on you, don't give up on yourself. Anything you want is worth what you're fighting for. You might feel worthless to one person, but you are priceless to another. Don't ever forget your value. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or makes you happy. Never reply when you are angry. Never make a promise when you are happy. Never make a decision when you are sad. Silence is not empty. It is full of answers. Happiness is not determined by what's happening around you, but rather than what's happening inside you. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Remember, gratitude affects attitude. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. You are responsible for your own happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, then you will be always disappointed. Depression is when you don't really care about anything. That is, you are living in the past. Anxiety is when you care too much about everything. That is, you are living in the future. And having both is just like hell. So, try to live in the present with peace. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Don't look back with regrets. Look forward with hope. Never believe what the lines of your hand predict about your future, because people who don't have hands also have a future. Believe in yourself. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hands. Your decision can make luck, but luck can never make your decision. So always trust yourself. Confidence is nothing more than believing in yourself. And believing in yourself is about doing the things now that you once didn't believe that you could do this. We are human. We are not perfect. We are alive. We try things. We make mistakes. We stumble. We fall. We get hurt. And we rise again. We try again. We keep learning. we keep growing. We are thankful for this priceless opportunity called life. Always look at what you have left. Never look at what you have lost. Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. The bottom line is, behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Around you, all who loves you. Within you, all you need. So, keep going, never stop. Remember, always difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. Good luck.